Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set default applause to your YouTube videos, like your text, your description or your title, and then hashtag as well, so you don't have to keep on rewriting them all the time or every time you upload your new video, right? So that's what you're going to be looking at in this video. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, for you to be able to set your default applause to your YouTube video, you should be on your YouTube studio. So I want you to go to your YouTube studio. So you can see this is my YouTube studio right here. So this is the home page. So now I want you to click on settings. Come to setting right here, and then this tab should be opening up. Now I want you to click on upload defaults. Click on there, and then this should be opening up. So now you can set the title. So each video have a different title, so you don't really have to set the title. I just want you to come to the description, right? So in my description I have all this. So this is everything that I have in my description, and then all these, they appear on all my videos, like my social media links, and then this hashtag, right? So all these, they appear on all my videos, so I don't have to keep on rewriting. That's why I have them in my description, right? Perfect. And then the visibility, you can scroll down. I have this visibility. I set it to public, so every time I upload, I don't have to set it, it's already set. And then this is your text. So these are all the text that I have on here, right? I set them so I don't have to keep on rewriting them every time I upload a video, right? You have that. And then you can also click on advanced settings. Once you click on there, you will set everything that you want to set default. Like maybe the most important here is the language. As you can see, I set them to English, so you can choose the language there, the title, and then down here you have the comments, right? So you can choose if you want to disable your comments or if you want to allow all comments. As you can see, I set them to hold potential inappropriate comments so I can review them, right? So you can set all that. This is just where, as long as you are on your upload default, so you don't have to keep on redoing them every time you upload a new tutorial, right? So now once you are done doing all that, setting them, you can just click on save, and then as you can see, it's setting save. Now you set your default uploads to your YouTube video. So as you can see, it was easy and simple. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.